Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to install a screwless light switch wall plate. So we've got a screwless light switch wall plate here, and we've got the existing light switch and cover plate and wall plate here. So first thing you want to do is just turn the power off at the circuit breaker if you want to be as safe as possible. And then all you're going to do is remove the two screws that hold the existing wall plate on. So just go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver and loosen those up, and you can remove those. So we've got those loosened up, and we have removed our existing wall plate. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and install the new wall plate adapter. So this will work on any Decora switch, which is a rectangular switch like this, or a rectangular shaped switch. And this one is from Lutron, but there's a variety of different adapters out there for wall plates, screwless wall plate adapters. I do like this one. We'll put a link below to this product. You can get them on Amazon. You can probably pick it up at your local big box store. Just depends on where you're at. So all you do is go ahead and screw the two screws into the switch so that this wall plate is held on place here. This wall plate adapter, so like so. And then all we're going to do is take the other piece, the screwless piece, and this just mounts right on top, and you just snap it in place. So you just go ahead and get that snapped in like so. And now you have your screwless light switch wall plate. Nice clean look there if that's what you're going for. A lot of people do like this look without the screws. It just looks really clean, looks really modern, looks really nice. The light switch inside here, this is a Lutron cassetta. This is a smart light switch dimmer. This will work with your phone, Siri, Alexa, Apple, all that good stuff. So that is how you install a screwless light switch wall plate. And if you want to learn more, you can go ahead and check us out at onehoursmarthome.com. Give us a thumbs up, like, or subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.